everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make this beautiful crochet lacy pattern. This is a nostalgic pattern actually. This is an old pattern but still beautiful. It's so easy. I'm sure many of you know how to make this, but I'm making this video for the crochet beginners. Meanwhile, this is going to be a beautiful summer cardigan, beach cover cardigan, and I will also share the video tutorial of this. For this reason, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to be informed about my future video tutorials. Thank you, dear friends. Let's go on how to make this. For this pattern, I'm going to use this orange color, dear friends. This is cotton color, but if you want to make a winter creation, for example winter shawl or winter scarf, you can make this pattern with chunky yarns, woolen yarns. I'm sure it will be also beautiful for winter projects also, as well, and especially for summer cardigans, beach cover dresses, beach pareos, beach skirts. It is beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how we are going to crochet this. You need yarn, cotton, acrylic, woolen, chunky yarn, doesn't matter. Whatever project you want to make, you can take your yarn according to that. And you need a hook suitable to your yarn. My yarn is a cotton yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook is suitable for this. We are starting by making chains. First of all, I am making a knot. And then I will go on making chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each 8 chains we are going to found our pattern. For example, when we start making chains and in the first row we are going to make these patterns and we are counting 7 chains and the 8 chains we are going to make this. We are skipping 7 chains and in the 8 chains we are founding the pattern, and then skipping 7 chains and in the 8 chains we are founding another pattern. For this reason, it is better if you count the chains. It will do good for you if you count the chains as 8 and multiples of 8. For example, 10 plus 8 or 7 plus 8, like this. For example, I will do it in order to show you 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 48 chains. I have already made 8 chains. I'm going to make 40 chains more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As I told you, you can arrange the quantity of the chains as 8 and multiples of 8. But it's no matter if you don't want to count the chains. When it is becomes some remaining yarn, it can be, it's no matter. Now I will complete 48 chains because I'm going to make this 6 plus 8. I made 48 chains. Now I am going to found the pattern on this chain. We are turning on the chains, dear friends. For this reason, we have to make 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains will be the first double crochet of the pattern. And I am inserting my hook in the 48 chains. I made chain 48 totally. After that I made 3 more chains and I'm now inserting my hook in the 48 chain. Yarn over, pull through. Now I am going to make a double crochet and I'm considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. Now we have 2 double crochet. I'm making 1 chain, yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same stitch. I'm going to make another double crochet in the same stitch. Now we found the first pattern. What we did, we made 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet. We are considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet of this first row. Now we are going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I told you before, we are going to skip 7 chains. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the 8th chains, I am inserting my hook. Making a double crochet, yarn over, making another double crochet in the same stitch, 1 chain, inserting my hook in the same space here, making a double crochet, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space and making another double crochet. Yes, we made 1, 2 pattern on the chains. It's been like this. Be careful, we are skipping 7 chains, and upon this we are making 5 chains between the 2 patterns, dear friends. We are doing like this in order the pattern look neatly like this. Making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, skipping 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And we are inserting our hook in the 8 chains. First of all, making a double crochet like this, yarn over, inserting our hook in the same stitch, making another double crochet, now making 1 chain, inserting our hook in the same stitch space and making 2 more double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2, like this. Now I am making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 chains, skipping, inserting my hook in the 8th one, like this, and making a double crochet. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch and making another double crochet, making 1 chain, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making a double crochet, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making another double crochet. I made the pattern like this. It's been like this, dear friends. In this way we are completing the first row till the end of the chain, like this. I completed the first row. You know, I made this as 6 times 8. For this reason, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 spaces like this, and I am at the end. Now I am going to show you what we are doing in the second row. We are going to make the same pattern, but in order to go to the upper row, first of all we have to come to this center. For this reason, inserting my hook in this space, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, inserting my hook in this space, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. Now I am in the center of the pattern. I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Always we are considering this first 3 chains as the first double crochet of the new row. Yarn over, I am making a double crochet beside this, and I am considering this both as 2 double crochet. Now I am making 1 chain, yarn over, I am inserting my hook in the same space, making a double crochet, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making another double crochet. From now on, for the spaces, we are always going to make 5 chains, 5 chains here, 5 chains here, 5 chains, 5 chains. It will go on like this. Only when starting with chains, we are skipping 7 chains and then making the pattern. Only here when starting we are doing this, but on the upper rows we are always making 5 chains for these spaces. Now I am going to make this space. For this reason, making 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, directly going to the center of this pattern, and first of all making 2 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and then making 1 chain, making 2 more double crochet, and now I'm going to make this space for the upper row. For this reason, I need 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, directly going to the center of the following pattern here, this space, and first of all making 2 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, making 1 chain and making 2 more double crochet in the same space, 1 and 2, making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, inserting my hook in the center of this pattern like this, 2 double crochet firstly, 1, 2, 1 chain and 2 more double crochet in the same center, 1 and 2. It's going on like this till the end of the row, dear friends. Let me show you. It's been like this. Okay, in the same way we are coming to the end. I came to the end of this row. There is only 1 pattern left. I made 5 chains. I am doing the same thing, inserting my hook in the space of the last pattern. First of all, making 2 double crochet, making 1 chain and 2 more double crochet. That's all, dear friends. From now on, it will go on again and again till you finish your project. For example, if you are going to make a long scarf, you are going to repeat the same pattern, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, and then 5 chains for the space, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, and then 5 chains. It will go on whatever project you make with this pattern, dear friends. Crochet pareo or bolero or crochet bikini cover cardigan, bikini cover vest, anything you want to make. Also winter shawl, winter scarf projects you can make. Once again, I'm going to tell you how we are going to go the upper row. We are turning back. After turning back, we are inserting our hook in the following stitch and making a slip stitch, and then inserting our hook in the space and making another slip stitch. Like this, we came to the center of this pattern. Now making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and making a double crochet with this 3 chains. There are 3 with these 3 chains. There are now 2 double crochet in this space, making 1 chain, making 2 more double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2, making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then going to the center of the following pattern, and first of all making 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 more double crochet, and the pattern going on like this in the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, going to the center of the following pattern and 2 double crochet and 1 chain, 2 double crochet more. That's all, dear friends. I make 2 more double crochet and then 5 chains, and again we are making the same till the end of the row, and we are applying the same pattern till we finish our projects. That's all, dear friends. Let me show you my cardigan projects. As you see, again and again I made the same thing. It's been like this, very beautiful, lacy. It is nice, dear friends. You can even make tablecloths, table runners with these. It will also be beautiful. Okay, dear friends, this is all what we are going to learn in this project. I'm sure you like this pattern. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. I kindly invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dear friends. See you in the coming videos.